Boom! Welcome back to The Perfect Bag, everyone. My name is Clint, and today we've got another one-take bag review, but something just a little bit different today because I've already shown you this bag. So why am I showing it to you again? Well, quite simply because I've been using it again, and I think it's worth talking about because time's running out if you want to get this bag. And this bag, what is it? It's this beautiful beast from Indispensable. This gorgeous quilted sacoche is bonkers good, and you can get it for only 30 US dollars. 30 US dollars. Plus you're going to have to pay shipping from Japan. So we're talking probably 50 bucks. Wow. That is so cool. So I'm going to tell you how to grab the bag. Okay, and I'm going to give you a link to the bag, but first we're going to do just a quick walkthrough because, just looking at the view numbers, not all of you watched the video when I made a video about this bag. Indispensable is a company you should know if you like high quality carry for very little money, and if you're here, you probably like high quality carry for very little money, and if your favorite bag channels are not recommending bargains and cheaper ways to find things and brands that you've never heard of before, well, you might actually be watching an advertising channel. And that's okay, but just a heads up, you might actually be spending your time watching advertisements. And we don't want to watch commercials, do we? We got to watch commercials already on YouTube. We don't want to watch commercials as the channel. Okay, what is this bag? This bag, first off, is just baller. Indispensable is out of Tokyo. That's right, Tokyo. And this bag is a quilted little beast. It has a nice nylon strap, 1 inch. It is a premium nylon. It is sewn onto the bag, so do know that. But it is sewn at a rakish angle so that the bag carries comfortably at your side, okay? You can see the back is quilted as well. It's got these nice little kind of attachment points. You can slim up the bag for some compression, but really you can slip in a little jacket or something into the bottom of the sacoche, which is really nice. The key feature of this bag, which it just has me coming back to this bag a lot, is the intuitive drop-in pocketing, okay? So imagine you wearing this bag, okay? This is now, your belly is right here. Look, right here, look. And this is sitting kind of right at your side. You swing it up to your front and you reach in, and what do you have? First off, you've got this nice orange interior. You pull out your phone, which you're keeping in this drop pocket, slips right in. It's easy to access. And then you've got this zippered pocket right here. And in there, you've got your pocket knife and your flashlight. So a little double zipper action here, but just a simple slip in. And just a simple slip in right here as well. On this side, you've clipped your keys or your AirPods or a sanitizer to this built-in carabiner clip. It's a little D-ring. It's branded. It says Indispensable. And then you've tossed your wallet in here as well. So very nice. They are hand-sized. And I've got these big ham hands. So, your hands may extra fit. But look at that. Look at that. Nice materials, and it's so nice to carry a little bag with drop-in pockets like this, and they're robust drop-in pockets. Look at this. Nice materials. Seams are all well done. It just feels good. Feels good, man. All right. And then also this is again the angle you're wearing the bag from. You open up the main pocket. The zipper of the main pocket sits on the front of the bag. You can see here, it's not on the top, it's on the front. And that, again, makes it easier to open. But there's no real kind of block point here. It opens wide. Inside here, you reach in. You've got your fantastic soda, Polar Sunset, the best soda in the known universe. 0 calories, 0 sugar, etc., etc. Look at that. I've got my whole gimbal in here. I've got my battery backup in here. I've got my gaming device in here. I've got my hat in here. I got a lot in here. So it's a pretty large carry for a sacoche. Hello, would you buy me? Now it looks like a lady frog a little bit, doesn't it? Hello. But yeah, we'll open this up. Pull out. You can see one mesh pocket. That's the branding for Indispensable, the lightning bolt there. Tokyo, Japan. Big useful pocket. And this guy. So big useful pocket. It's the only pocketing on the interior. No clippies, no O-rings, no D-rings, no rings of any kind. And that's it. That's all this is. This is a big, giant pocket. It's fantastic for that. Love these pockets on the front. So, like I said, you can get this bag right now. You won't be able to get this bag later. That's my prediction. This thing is too cool to stick around forever. It's too unique to stick around forever. That's just the way of the world. Look it up. Mono no Aware. M-O-N-O space N-O space A-W-A-R-A. Japanese concept. It means the fleeting existence of beautiful things. Cherry blossoms. It's a concept that applies to handcrafted items like this. It ain't going to be around forever. It will add joy to your life. I really like this bag. I think you'll really like this bag. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. It could have used a drop-in pocket on the back. I would have liked a removable strap rather than a fixed strap. And I would have liked a couple of D-rings on the inside of the bag as well. But outside of that, it's pretty darn perfect. And for $30 US, you can snag this bag. The brown version I'm showing you right now is a little harder to come by, this hunter green and brown, but there is a black and gray version. I'm going to give you all the links I can find in the video description. It's going to be from Japanese sites like Buyee, BUYEE.jp. Check that out, okay? And it's going to cost you, it's a proxy shipping service. So the way that it works is you buy it on that site. It's Rakuten, Japan. Then you'll get an email that says the order has arrived in their warehouse. You'll click the link and then you'll pay this proxy service to ship it to you, okay? So you pay once. That's to give them the money to make the purchase on your behalf, $30 and like $2 for a fee. Then you'll pay twice. The second time you pay is the shipping fee, and you'll get to select how fast you want to ship it. Avoid the cheapest option, which is usually 180 days. They put it in a shipping container and it'll probably get lost. Take the second cheapest option, which will probably be about $20. So whenever you're shopping on Buyee.jp, add about 18 to $20 onto your price. That's your full price that you're going to pay. But $20 to ship a just baller bag that you're getting for $30. What if I just told you it's $50 in free shipping? Okay, right? Right. Okay, so once again, your boy is trying to come in clutch for y'all. Get this bag before it's too late. It really is an enjoyable experience to carry this little bag. If what you're carrying is phone and wallet and keys and battery backup and a pocket knife and a flashlight and maybe a gaming device, maybe a few small toiletries, maybe you're tossing a book in, you know, it's just a fantastic little bag. I really enjoy it. I think you will too. My hunch is you will too. I remain committed to bringing you interesting, new bags that you haven't seen or heard of before. I promise. All right, everybody. And again, as always, the links in the video description are not affiliate links. Okay? The Amazon links are. Yep, thanks for that. I appreciate that moolah. But all the bag links, never take a dime from a bag maker. You can keep trusting this channel. I'm going to go out there in the world, find you the best bags available. period. And I will find the cheapest way possible for you to get said bags. Y'all, you're the best. Thank you for all the love and the support, and we will see you next time. Bye for now.